स्वयमेवात्मनात्मानं वेत्थ त्वं पुरुषोत्तम भूतभावन भूतेश देवदेव जगत्पते. Translation. Indeed, you alone know yourself by your inconceivable energy. O Supreme Personality, the Creator and the Lord of all beings, the God of gods and the Lord of the universe. Now again the Kena Upanishad says, Yan manasan manute yenarul manomatam tadeva brahmatvam vidhi nedam yadidam upasate yat chakshusha na pashyati yena chakshugvamshi pashyati tadeva brahmatvam vidhi nedam yadidam upasate यत् प्राणेन न प्राणिति येन प्राणः प्रणीयते तदेव ब्रह्मत्वं विद्धि नेदं यदिदम् उपासते यद् वाचा नभ्युदितं येन वागभ्युद्यते तदेव ब्रह्मत्वं विद्धि नेदं यदिदम् उपासते. These Vedic mantras say, these eyes cannot see him. It is by his power that the eyes see. These ears cannot hear his murli. They are energized by him. If he ever chooses to cut that energy, the soul, whether a devta or a human or a rakshasa, will all be reduced to zero, but he saw 0 out of 100. So the Upanishads relate the katha that once after the Devar-Sur Sangram, the battle between the Devatas and the Asuras. Now this is the celestial star wars, intergalactic wars that took place. And finally the Devatas won. So they became proud. Because of our power we have achieved victory. Now pride is something that God detests. Ishvara abhimana dveshitva. So whenever such a thing happens in a big personality, he does a little surgical procedure. And that is what God did for the Devatas. So he established himself in a radiant form in the celestial abodes and waited for them to notice him. So first of all, Indra saw, oh my God, who is this? And so much of effulgence. So Indra was humbled that I am Devaraj, the king of the celestials, and this being has got more effulgence than me. So he had need to do an inquiry. He called Agni Dev. Agni, come over. Yes, boss. What is the agya? Go and find out who has come. So Agni said, small matter. तदभ्यद्रवत्तमभ्यवदत् कोऽसीत्यग्निर्वा अहमस्मीत्यब्रवीत् जातवेदा वा अहमस्मीति. Agni went and asked God, who are you? So God said, what kind of an inquiry is this? These kind of questions are asked by the police if they meet a loafer at midnight. Who are you? What are you doing here? So I ask, who are you? Agni said, who am I? I am Agni Bhagavan. So Bhagavan said, Agni? I have never heard of a bird called Agni. Tasmin stvai kim viryam. What do you do? Agni said, you've not heard of me? Apidam sarvam daheyam yadidam prithivyam. You've never seen volcanoes? If I desire, I can decimate the whole universe in a moment. So Bhagavan said, really? He placed a straw, dry blade of grass in front of Agni and said, decimate this. Saying that, Agni was, you want me to decimate this as a test of my abilities? Tasmai trinam nidadhave taddaheti tadupepreya tanna javena shak dagdhum satata eva nivavrite naitadashakam vigyatum yadetam yakshamiti. So Agni said, I will just burn it. He started increasing his temperature. 1 million, 10 million, 50 million. And he started going forward. And God cut off the power supply. Now when the power supply goes, you may have the best electric fitting. What can you do? He is the source of all the power of Agni. And he chooses to put the switch off. Agni said, oh my God, it is becoming so cold. Give me a comforter. I am shivering here. So, his teeth shivering, he returned to Indra and said, oh no, what kind of magician is he? I became cold myself. Indra said that Agni is not functioning very well. Vayu, come along. So, you go and find out. Now, Vayu went. Tadabhyadravat tamabhyavadat kositi vayurva ahamasmiti. Vayu went and asked God, who are you? God said, what is the matter? Everybody who comes asks me, who are you? I am telling you, who are you? So Vayu was also in pride. He said, I am Vayu Bhagwan. Bhagwan said, Vayu? I have never heard of an animal called Vayu. What do you do? So he said, what do I do? If I like, I can turn the whole Brahmand universe over. So God said, really? He placed the same straw in front of Vayu and said, turn this over. Now looking at that, Vayu also started joking. So he started increasing his potential energy. And then when he was raring to go, he took the first step forward. Bhagavan put his switch off. So Vayu came to a screeching halt. He's finding it impossible to move his hands and feet. So dragged himself back to Indra that I don't know who is this who has come. Now Indra said, I need to go. My assistant devatas are not functioning well for some reason. They seem to have caught the COVID or some other bug. So Indra went, Maghavanne tad vijanihi kimetat yakshamiti. And when Indra arrived, God disappeared. In his place, his Mahashakti Uma was there. Indra said, who was that personality who came? Uma said, he was your Bap, your father. He had come to destroy your pride. So the story is in none other than the Kena Upanishad. In the Upanishads. Why? To relate to us that look, even the Devtas derive their power from God. And that is why they can never challenge that by our senses we will know God. There is only one personality who knows God, and that is God Himself. And anybody else who gets graced by God. Now the grace can descend on anyone. It could descend on a lady like Vidurani, like Andal, like Mirabai. It could descend on a child like Dhruv and Prahlad, 5-year, 4-year. It could descend on a bird like Jatayu. If God decides to grace someone, that soul will also then know God. But these are the eternal principles. But now he is going to appeal to Sri Krishna to reveal his glories, and then Sri Krishna will begin.